This is going to be very unusual video for this channel because here I talk a lot about this kind of stuff. Here's a new PC that I have for testing, but I just came back from Atlanta, Georgia, where a company called Greenworks were presenting the whole lineup of their new products. And if you didn't know, I'm, as you can see, a big fan of their products. Everything is battery powered. I actually 3D printed those holders for batteries, very convenient. But you can see I have all of their tools, everything. And not only tools, but also a snow blower, power washer, dethatcher, or how do you call that? Lawnmower, even a battery powered vacuum, shop vac. No, that's not it. I also have leaf blower, trimmer, trim your bushes with this. I don't know what's that thing called. Weed whacker. In Canada, we call this weed whacker. And a whole bunch of batteries. So I guess you can say that I'm a fanboy at this point. Almost 2 years we bought a house, and this is our first house. Before that, we lived in Ukraine, in Kyiv, and always it was condos, where ultimately I didn't have to do anything. We basically were able to pay for any sort of repairs. But when we came to Canada, things changed. Because here, if you wanna, for example, renovate a small bathroom, and when I say small, I mean this small, just to shower, and that's it. We had a quote for $15,000, $18,000, and $21,000 from different companies. And this is just one example. And the second why I was able to do so much DIY/repair projects in our house is two things. First, God bless garage sales, where I was able to find a lot of different tools. And second, I had professional tools. Whenever I do something with these tools, I feel it's a professional maxing in my case. Anyways, when Greenworks saw how much I enjoyed their tools, they invited me to a presentation of their new products in Atlanta, Georgia. This actually was my first influencer trip ever on this side of the world. It was all happening in the place called the Perch. Those are like tree houses or bird houses in mountains. Kind of like a big Airbnb place. Very nice, very interesting. The scenery is amazing. So the company made 6 different stations, where we were able to properly test all these new products, compare them to a competition, more expensive models from big brands, compete with each other, who's gonna cut this tree faster, etc.
It's the first time I'm cutting with this tool.
Oh, there you go.
Give me grace. Okay?
There you go. You got it.
1, 2.
This whole thing was hosted by 2 HGTV stars that I personally, unfortunately, did not know. Their name is Chip and Scott. I don't even own TV. Like, I own TV, but there's not like no cable. So I didn't even know who those people are, but apparently they're like celebrities because everyone wanted to make a selfie with them, etc. Overall, this was an amazing event, and I'm very grateful. I was able to meet a lot of new content creators that are mostly construction workers or blue-collar companies, that sort of thing, but they also produce content for their social media about this. So this was something completely new for me, and honestly don't even know what I'm doing here, because every other person is in some serious trades, and I'm here. Yeah, I'm here.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that was different. Yeah.
The foundation of the launch was PowerAll 24-volt platform. One 24-volt battery that already powers 200 plus Greenworks tools. The event's headline message was one battery, work, home, life. No more juggling different chargers and packs across product lines. Batteries feature USB-C charging, the tools run brushless motors, and the lineup ships with a long warranty. It felt like Greenworks is openly going against Milwaukee, DeWalt, and Ryobi. On spec sheets, torque, build quality, and feature set, and several of their tools aren't just cheap alternatives. In many cases, they match or beat the big brands on power and performance, while lending at noticeably lower prices. New tools for consumer plus pro lines include new angle grinder, impact wrench, impact driver, the whole bunch of different blowers, oscillating multi-tools, circular saw, as well as a set of accessories, tool backpacks, modular tool cases, and even branded cooler. One of the most important things that company emphasized the most is that the Pro line, because there's like hundreds of products for consumers and hundreds of even more products for Pro. Those are two different lines. So the Pro line is going to be sold in Walmarts. This was one of the questions that everyone discussed. Can you imagine that a skilled trade worker goes to a Walmart and buys a circular saw? Would you? Personally, I saw like at least 7 different products that I want to add to my collection. And one of the best innovations that Greenworks did with this launch, in my opinion, that every new battery is bi-directional. I guess it's called bi-directional, meaning it has a USB that can charge your phone and act as a power bank, as well as be charged by a USB as a phone or whatever. So everything is very universal. USB-C everywhere. You get USB-C, you get USB-C. Opera would have approved. Anyways, I was too excited to be able to go to this trip. Thank you very much, Greenworks. And dear viewers, I have a huge request. Please let me know in the comments if you're up to a content like this, because you can kind of tell that it's a bit of a different niche, and I might be the only channel on the internet that you can find a video of how I used my MacBook for 2 months, or Galaxy blah blah blah, and then there you go, circular saw, oscillating multi-tool. I would love it because DIY is a huge part of my life, because I'm cheap and I can't pay people to renovate my house. I have to learn how to do it myself. Thanks for watching. See you next one.